Hi friends. I'm your guardian angel and I will guide you throughout your life. Utilizing the points, cashback, and other incentives that the credit card issuer provides is normally the norm when earning money with a credit card. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. Here are some possible ways to profit from a credit card. 1. Choose the right card. Consider credit cards with rewards or cashback programs that suit your interests and spending patterns. Rewards come in a variety of forms, including points for purchases, cashback on certain categories, and travel rewards. 2. Cashback rewards. A lot of credit cards give back money when you make a purchase. This implies that a portion of your purchases will be converted into cashback, which is often transferred to your card account or redeemable as a statement credit. Some credit cards provide larger cashback percentages for certain purchases, such as food, petrol, or groceries. 3. Travel rewards. If you travel frequently, think about credit cards that offer travel benefits like airline miles, hotel points, or other benefits associated with travel. These benefits can be used to pay for lodging, transportation, and other travel-related costs. 4. Points rewards. A few credit cards give you a point for each dollar you spend. These points can frequently be exchanged for a wide range of benefits, such as goods, gift cards, and occasionally even cashback. 5. Signup Bonuses. Many credit cards give new cardholders sign-up bonuses if they spend a particular amount within a predetermined time range. These bonuses might be very large and give you the opportunity to earn rewards or money right now. 6. Refer a friend programs. A few credit cards offer referral programs that let you get compensated for referring friends or family members who successfully apply for the same credit card. 7. Maximize spending. As long as you can pay the credit card amount in full each month, strive to charge as many of your usual spending as you can to earn additional rewards. You can accrue incentives in this way without paying interest. 8. Use for large purchases. Take into account using your credit card for larger purchases, as doing so could accelerate the earning of benefits. To prevent paying a lot in interest, be sure you have the money to pay off these items. 9. Understand redemption options. Be aware of your options for cashback or reward redemption. Some cards provide you the ability to choose from a wider range of redemption alternatives, including bill credits, direct deposits, gift cards, and more. 10. Pay amount in whole. It's critical to pay off your credit card amount in whole each month if you want to maximize credit card benefits. If not, the interest fees you pay may easily be greater than the value of the rewards you receive. 11. Monitor fees. Be conscious of any yearly charges on your credit card. If there is an annual charge, make sure the rewards and benefits outweigh the expense. 12. Stay informed. Credit card reward programs are subject to change, so make sure you are aware of any modifications and any new offers that might be made. Always use credit cards properly to stay out of debt and other financial difficulties. Read the terms and conditions of your credit card's rewards program to fully understand how to earn and redeem points. Only spend what you can afford to pay off each month. Like, share, subscribe, comment.